I'm doing a problem on momentum principles. The problem states a pole vaulter of mass 60 kilograms vaults to a height of 6 meters before dropping to thick padding placed below to cushion her fall. The first part of the question asks me to find the speed with which she lands. So that's part A. I found the sum of mechanical energy, which is kinetic plus potential, the change in kinetic plus the change in potential energy. And so the initial kinetic energy was 0, and the final potential energy would be 0. And I substituted these formulas or these equations in for the potential energy is mass time gravitational force time the height, and it's equal to the final kinetic energy 1/2 mass time velocity squared. That leaves us with velocity equaling to 2 times g times h. Take the square root of that, and it leaves us with 10.8 meters per second as the velocity. The second part of the question asks if the pattern brings her to a stop in a time of 50.50 seconds, what is the average force on her body due to the pattern during that time interval? Okay, that moves us over to part B, and it wants us to find the average force. So we use this equation. The average force equals the change in momentum over time. But first we have to find the change in momentum. So the change in momentum equals the mass time velocity. We take the velocity from the first question and we multiply that by the mass of the pole vaulter, which is 60, leaving us with 648 kilograms meters per second. So then we found the average force, which is the change in momentum over the change in time. And the time interval is 0.50 seconds, so we divide that by the change in momentum, which we just found previously, which is 648, and that leaves us with an average force of 1296 newtons.